Men as one, and not to think of a man.
We are all praying for our second president of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Daniel Toroitich arap Moi. We are praying for quick recovery.
As the people of Baringo, we know what Mzee, our former president, has done to this county and to Kenyans. And in his old age, we remember with a lot of love what he did to set the foundation in this county. And when he is in his old age, as he seeks medical support outside, our prayers are with him, and the doctors will be able to take care of him wherever he is.